Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account tied to your subscription. Once signed in, confirm the billing email and payment method so you can spot the correct subscription. Next, open the account menu and go to Subscriptions. This is where you'll take action. Make sure you're on a full browser session rather than an app, because you need the Services and Subscriptions page to see the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate entry and the cancel controls. Once on Services and Subscriptions, find Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and click Manage. You'll see details like renewal date and payment history. Read these so you understand remaining access. Then choose Cancel Subscription. The site will show options such as Keep Benefits until the end of the billing period or End Now. Make your selection based on whether you need immediate prorated refund eligibility. If prompted, pick a reason so Microsoft logs the cancellation cause. After you confirm cancellation, you'll see an on-screen confirmation and often an email receipt. Save or screenshot that confirmation number. Once done, monitor your billing statement to ensure no unexpected charges. Make sure to note the final access date if you chose to keep benefits until period end. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back in, clear your browser cache, or try another browser. If the issue persists, contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.